Keith, we're here at MSC's facility in Wednesbury. You've got two CNC machines here, your machining centre and a turning centre where people can come to explore what your machines and the other possibilities are within manufacturing. But this video is about some of the stock that you're currently holding in Elland. Can you tell our audience what you are carrying and what they could get their hands on quickly?
Yeah, so a great range of the manual machines, right from the students up to the Mastiffs, and we don't stock the Magnums, the big ones, but the Triumph is a common machine that we have in stock, along with some Mascots and Mastiffs people know us for.
Tool rooms, are these where these machines are fitting? And do people still buy these conventional machines? I mean, we've got CNCs here, but there is still a need, isn't there, for a machine of this nature?
As I keep saying, every shop you go into, there's normally some form of Colchester or Harrison machine in there somewhere. The Triumphs are very, very popular in tool rooms, maintenance facilities, etc. The students and the M300s are great education machines, and into the masters as well. People are buying those for schools and colleges. Yeah.
So those are in stock. This is a good time, isn't it? Some companies are coming into the end of the year, although it's been COVID. They might have had a good year, good time to offset a bit of their profitability and invest in a machine. And if they do that, they can have one maybe before the end of the year.
Struggle before the end of the year now. Our capacity's full in December, but we'll take orders up to Christmas Eve, definitely. So January we could certainly get you some machines. Yeah.